Every year in trials, we grow about 2,000 different varieties. About 500 or so are our current offerings, and the rest of them are all potential new products to offer.
So plant height's 14, plant width is 27. It's blue-green. Still need to sharpen my knife, obviously. All right, so we've got, it's a ball head, 7 inches high and 7 inches across. Next, we'll take a look at the interior. Oh, nice. So one thing we look at with cabbage is core length. And this one's got about a 2.75 inch core. So the interior is pretty nice and dense for a cabbage that's been grown in the summertime. It's pretty juicy. This is a fresh market cabbage, not a storage type. And the best part is a little taste testing for you. Bueno.
That's way sweeter.
It's sweet, juicy, good texture. No signs of bitterness.
So the trialing process is, we take very detailed notes about our seeding dates and our planting dates. We make passes through the field, every couple of days, and we're observing changes and growth rates and taking very detailed notes about how the plant develops from the very beginning to the very end and even beyond that. There's another big section that kind of goes into the more qualitative aspects of it. So we will, rate things on a scale for stuff like eye appeal, how pleasing it is to look at the plant, flavor and eating quality, vigor, uniformity, yield potential, and then as the season progresses, we capture more and more data. Then even we let the plants sit in the ground beyond what a normal gardener or farmer would, just to see, like I say, it's like the last one standing in the field, right? Or what is the last variety of something to bolt? We want to know that. So we're leaving it in the field and watching them succumb to pests and diseases and bolting and really just going all, way past what a normal person would do with their plants in order to figure out which is the most long-standing.
Look at those beauties. So we've got one that's a little bit more oblong, but generally they've got nice round. The stems have a nice like peppermint streak to them. So our root size, we do a length and width, 3.5. So it's ranging from 2 to 3.5. We do have one that's a little bit more elongated. Not too bad of scabby shoulder given the time of year we are in right now. It's the beginning of August, and these have held up pretty well in the heat, I'd say. We like to cut inside the beet and look at how much zoning there is. So it's a moderate level of zoning, but for the summertime and the dry conditions, this is kind of average for a beet. If you plant them earlier or later and they go through a cooler season, they have more water available to them, you'll see less zoning in the roots. Do a little taste test. It's still remarkably juicy and good texture on this one, I'd say.
Even lower geosmin.
Even lower geosmin than the last. I'm not eating the seeds, but I am eating the membrane. It's hot, but it's not that bad. I gotta go get my water. Cucumbers,
I should have gotten a
the
cucumber.
best relief for hot pepper mouth burn. Better than water.